What's up, guys? How is everybody doing, man? If you are watching this, you guys are literally in for a treat. Right now, if you guys hear kids in the background, everybody just got home from school. But we got a special package at the store that just came, and I'm about to rush to the store and go and get it. I'm really excited because, again, I have not done one of these videos in a while, but a lot of people have been asking me to show them what the new AirPod replicas look like and show them exactly everything from the ins and outs, how they operate, how they connect to your phone, and teach them how they can make extra money literally by selling these AirPod replicas. These AirPod replicas are on theconnectwireless.com, guys. Again, theconnectwireless.com. They are listed as the pods, okay? Hustler pods. Now, the reason I put them as Hustler pods is because, again, I can't sell them obviously as the title AirPod replicas, okay? So guys, I'm going to be showing you everything, but let's first go get the package. Okay guys, so while I'm in the car, I'm explaining to you everything as far as logistics, what comes with these AirPod Pro replicas. Guys, I'm not one of those YouTubers that likes to sit down and film a video with me literally just sitting there and you seeing captions and nice cool lights in the background. Guys, I'll be on the move. I am a hustler, okay? I'm a hustler, and hustlers move, and I gotta move, okay? I'm doing so much stuff today. It's awesome, been a great day. But what comes with these AirPod replicas? So these AirPod replicas come in wholesale pricing, $38 each, okay? You get 4 for $100 and around $155. It all depends on your area because, of course, taxes. I cannot help you guys evade the taxes and the shipping, okay? Because we do ship everywhere. We ship worldwide, okay? So you can get these anywhere in the world and you can sell these. You sell them on places like MERCARI, Amazon, OfferUp, Facebook. And guys, there are ways to list these. You just have to follow the instructions in the videos that I've filmed prior. I'm thinking about filming some more videos so you guys can actually see different ways to list. So be on the lookout for that. I might film how to list them on each platform because, again, it's so important for you guys to know how to list these and how to make money. Now, when it comes to shipping, guys, this takes 7 days to ship out. So the way that we do this is I have a specific instruction for everybody in my store to follow. When we get the packaging, we want to make sure that we open up the packaging, not the whole AirPod packaging, but we want to make sure that we're opening and make sure that the quality each time is at the top of our expectations. We've had duds, which are AirPods that didn't sound how we wanted to years ago in the past, and I really wish I would have avoided it just by checking. So we do check, we make sure your AirPods are top quality, we make sure that they are sealed, we make sure everything is good. We do a 6-point inspection. Believe it or not, the people in the store have a whole checklist on how to check AirPod replicas when they come in. So that's really cool. I might share that with you guys on my vlogging channel, Educatedhustler vlogs. Definitely check that out if you guys can. But my plan is to get these AirPods, go back to the office, show you guys exactly what these AirPods are about. And I'll also be showing them a little bit on live probably, because I am supposed to be going live at 6 p.m. I usually go live 6 p.m. every single day of the week, so definitely check me out there. And I talk about different things. I talk about phone buying recaps, talk about reselling tips and tricks. I talk about a lot of stuff. So guys, I'm here for you guys around the clock, all right? There's no way you guys should be missing me and you coming together just so you can continue to get better, okay guys? So let me actually get off this thing and let me drive so that I don't start crashing or playing bumper cars with anybody. Here is the package, guys. I'm so excited. I'm going to open this right now. Alright guys, so I have the box finally here. If only you guys knew how much it just took to get home and kids situated. But finally had a box here with the new AirPod replica. So I'm going to open this box up, show you exactly how it comes, okay? And I'm also gonna shout out 2 individuals that we will be sending the replicas. Well, a couple orders. I'll shout out maybe, instead of 2, let's just do like 3 or 4. So the new replicas are coming in these boxes, okay? I continue to just keep trying to innovate, all right? So all of these are accounted for, guys. If you want to get your AirPods, again, theconnectwireless.com. Go under the audio tab and where it says pods, and it's the Hustler pods. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually go through and see exactly how these look. And again, all of our packages are sealed at our stores. We make sure that all of this stuff is quality, okay? And that's what we want to continue to expect when we are talking about AirPods, because remember, one of the biggest things with AirPod replicas is customers will complain, and you don't want nobody to put this under somebody's tree and start complaining. So we're going to open these up. When you open them up, of course, the AirPods are in them. All right. Now, when it comes to these AirPod replicas, we still have the clean seal. You cannot see no shrink wrap. You can't see no shrink wrap lines, anything, guys. So this is how the box, look how fine, straight tuned this line is, right? So I want y'all to look and just see how straight line these lines are. This is important, guys, because if you want to get close to the real thing, you have to pay attention to these details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack open this one. All right, so I'm going to crack it open. I really don't want to damage the box, so crack it open like that. Now we're going to open it. Look how, again, it doesn't come off like no cheap vacuum sealed wrap, okay? This is great wrap, and the reason I'm showing you guys all of this detail is because this detail matters, okay? These are going to be the new AirPod Rep Gen 2s, guys. You get these for $38. And again, look at this, y'all. Look at this. You have the flaps, okay? So look at the flaps. You got the flaps right here, okay? And they're already sealed down. The flaps are already sealed down. And these flaps are going to make sales happen, because a lot of the replicas do not have these flaps. Instead, they have like a little flap right here, and you peel it off. That stuff is not genuine. It doesn't make it feel and seem real. I can already tell you these have great quality, great weight, and that is what we're looking for. We want to make sure that we're maximizing these pods, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to open these. So all I gotta do is pull open the flaps. Once I pull open the flaps, these are gonna open. So pull it open. Pull it open, all right? Now that the flaps are off, and this one actually is doing really, really well. So now that the flaps are off, we can open the box, okay? So now opening the box, again, you don't want no box where the AirPods are just falling out. You want it to be a tight seal. That means this is a great, look at this, y'all, great quality box, okay? Now it comes like this, all right? You have the same thing, designed by Apple. All right, but let me backtrack and let me show you guys this, okay? If you guys can see it, this has a working serial number, of course, and also this has the made in Vietnam. It has the model numbers. It has the UPC. This is a really good box, y'all. I'm happy with the box quality. Now we open this, it says designed by Apple, and then it also has the 2023 Apple Inc. All rights reserved. Also has the patent number, or whatever this is at the bottom. It has it, okay? And that's on the real AirPods, and this is how the AirPods come in, okay? The AirPods come right here, like this with the plastic, okay? And look at how fine-tuned this plastic is, guys. And it also has the Apple writing on the back of it, okay? This Apple writing on the back of it is again, attention to detail. This says Apple Inc. 1 Parkway, and then it gives you the address, all right? So now we're going to open this up, okay? and then we're gonna pop it open. Look at that sound. Again, okay? That means the speakers both are working. Hold on. We also have the lanyard. The lanyard holds right here. And then we have the AirPod. Oh my God, these feel so good. With also the touch. Let me see if I can point this out for you guys. The touch pad right here where you can do volume up, volume down, and tap to control. All right, guys. So this is spectacular. As you see, the beautiful green light. Of course, it's magnetic. Like these are top of the line. Top of the line quality. Now, I will be doing a video where I'm not only just unboxing, but I'm literally going to be using these AirPods and showing you guys exactly how they sound. But first, what I want to do is I want to show you guys, look at this. Look at that. It automatically detects, okay? And also it gives you noise canceling control and everything, okay? Now, for the rest of it, we're gonna open up the box. Hold on. We're gonna open this box up. As we open the box up, of course, we have the different sizes, okay? Different sizes. Let me put that right there. And then, of course, you have the beautiful lightning cable, all right? So that's how it comes in the box, okay? I am completely satisfied, happy with the way that this was inspected. And guys, we will be doing a more in-depth video. I will be releasing it tomorrow of me literally going and showing you guys more detail on here. And hopefully you guys will understand how spot on we have these AirPods. These AirPods are completely spot on, very beautiful. The back of them looks like this. These AirPods are going to make you money, make you extra income. You get 4 of these, okay? So all you gotta do, literally, all you gotta do is pull up on your phone, right? Go to Safari, right? And then go to theconnectwireless.com. Once you go to theconnectwireless.com, hit those 3 lines on the left-hand side, go to audio, go to pods, right under audio. It's gonna say Lang's Pods. Those are the pods that you're looking to get. You get 4 of these for $155. That means that you are getting these for $38 each. That means you can sell these, and I guarantee you, for $120 to $150, even higher. I've seen people sell these higher. And guys, these are awesome qualities, and I am very pleased, very, very pleased, guys, and cannot wait for you guys to continue to make money work for you. So guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to hit me up. Make sure you guys are continuing to grow, and I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.